Ephesians chapter 3. Because of this, I, Shaul, am the prisoner of Yahushua Messiah on behalf of you nations, if indeed you have heard of the administration of the favor of Elohim that was given to me for you, that by revelation was made known to me the secret, as I wrote before briefly. In reading this then, you are able to understand my insight into the secret of Messiah, which was not made known to the sons of men in other generations, as it has now been revealed by the Spirit to his set-apart emissaries and prophets, the nations to be co-heirs, united in the same body, and partakers together in the promise in Messiah through the good news, of which I became a servant according to the gift of the favor of Elohim given to me, according to the working of his power. To me, the very least of all the set-apart ones, this favor was given, to bring the good news of the unsearchable riches of Messiah among the nations, and to make all see how this secret is administered, which for ages past has been hidden in Elohim who created all through Yahushua Messiah, so that now, through the assembly, the many-sided wisdom of Elohim might be known to the principalities and authorities in the heavenlies, according to the everlasting purpose which he made in Messiah Yahushua our Master, in whom we have boldness and access, with reliance, through belief in him. I pray therefore that you do not lose heart at my pressures on your behalf, which is your esteem. For this reason, I bow my knees to the Father of our Master Yahushua Messiah, from whom all fatherhood in the heavens and earth is named, in order that he might give you, according to the riches of his esteem by power, to be strengthened in the inner man through his Spirit, that the Messiah might dwell in your hearts through belief, having become rooted and grounded in love, in order that you might be strengthened to firmly grasp with all the set-apart ones what is the width and length and depth and height, to know the love of Messiah, which surpasses knowledge, in order that you might be filled to all the completeness of Elohim. And to him who is able to do exceedingly above what we ask or think, according to the power that is working in us, to him be esteem in the assembly by Messiah Yahushua unto all generations, for ever and ever. Amen.